Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're walking through how to make Quizlet private so you can control who sees your flashcard sets and keep your study space focused. This video shows the exact steps to change visibility settings quickly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Quizlet website. This is the official platform where all your flashcards and study sets are stored, and it works on any modern browser. Step 2. Log into your Quizlet account using your email or linked login. This step is important because privacy settings can only be changed when you're signed in. Step 3. Click Library from the main menu at the top. This section holds all your created and saved study materials in one place. Step 4. Select flashcard sets to view all the sets you've created. This helps you quickly find the exact set you want to manage. Step 5. Scroll through the list and click the flashcard set you want to make private. Opening the set lets you access its settings. Step 6. Click the 3 dots at the top of the set page and choose Edit. This option allows you to change details like visibility and access. Step 7. In edit mode, you'll see the current visibility status of your flashcard set at the top left. Click it to find more visibility options. Step 8. Click on everyone under the Visibility Tools section. This opens a drop-down where access levels can be adjusted. Step 9. Select Just Me to restrict the set so only you can see it. Then click Save to confirm the changes and make the set private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more quick and helpful guides.